In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve two column not going in Microsoft Word. So guys, you want to try to remove two column in Microsoft Word, and every time you want to you need to set one column. So permanently click on layout column and click on more columns. Select here one column and here select apply to Word document. Then click on OK. Now once you reopen your Word document, so it will appear one column like this.